Yes, so congratulations to all the winners of our Petit Summit Nationwide. Did it on February 20, 2025. So here we now our Petit Summit Nationwide for February 21, 2025. And here we now for our given number na 221. Ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay dalawang klase ng binata. Binata na mabuti at binatang masama. And for 2025, ang legendaryong magnanakaw ng kaligayahan or sadyang nawawalan ng swerte. And here now for number 2, it is the number of 1127 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan may barya sa daan. So why it is 1127 for number 2? Because 11 plus 2 plus 7 equals to 20. And 20 is belongs to number 2. And for our number 21, I just the number of 1911 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mag-asawang nasa daan. So why just 1911 is 9? Because of 1 plus 9 equals to 10 plus 11 equals to number 21. And here we now, starting 20, I just the number of 1532 na ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay may dumating na lasing or maganda. So why it is 1532 for number 20? Because 15 plus 3 plus 3 equals number 20. And for our 25, I just number of 1933 na ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay mag-asawang lumilipad. So why it is 1933? Because 19 plus 3 plus 3 equals number 25. And of course, here another first lucky number for today, February 21, 2025, araw ng mga binata. Of course, 11 plus 27 equals to 38, and 19 plus 11 equals to number 30. So our first lucky number for today, February 21, 2025, araw ng mga binata is number 3830. Na ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay maraming tao na ngayon ay naghahanap lamang ng butas sa mga patakaran ngayong nangyayari ng ating gobyerno. And here we now, for our second lucky numbers, of course, 15 minus 32 equals to 17, and 19 minus 33 equals to 14. Ang ibig sabihin ng 1714 ay nahulog sa kalandian. And here we now for the very first strongest number for February 21, 2025. Of course, here we now. 38 minus 30 equals to 8. Ang 8 ay pwede siya maging 26. And our first and our second lucky numbers, of course, 17 plus 14 equals to 31. Ang ating 31 ay pwede siya maging 22. That's why our strongest number for today is number 831, 826, 822, 3122, 3126, or number 2622. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para lagi kayong updated. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.